Hey, Cassandra.
Hey, Steve.
What you got going on?
I have a question for you.
Imagine that.
Right?
All right, let's have it. What you got?
What's a heat map?
Heat map?
Heat map. Is that like the weather report?
It's me. It's hot. No. No, a heat map shows you all kinds of different information about particular areas. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to talk to my clients over the phone and then do a video, what are they called, Zoom meetings
Mm-hmm. Yep.
or team meetings.
Sure. Yes.
I like Zoom a little bit better than team.
Okay. We'll get into that another day.
Okay, but
Okay.
I like to set up a Zoom meeting and then show them client that's looking at moving into an area of what they can expect by using heat maps. So heat maps can give you all kinds of great information on the estimated value of the area or in neighborhoods, and you can kind of see where that is. You can look at all kinds of different data points. I mean, anything that you can think of, I can pull up on a heat map almost on any type of data point of in an area, which is kind of handy when you're looking for like certain areas to have, certain things. Not only if it's close to, um, major freeways or airports or something like that, or schools or anything like that. You can pull up like information about.
Would that include like the walkable score? I keep seeing this. The walkable score.
That's something else, but no, the heat maps are going to show more demographics.
Okay.
It's going to show more information about the area. Um, just just good stuff.
A good summary of the area.
Yeah,
High points.
yeah,
And low points. All
yeah,
points. Many points.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's what a heat map is.
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah, it's just some good stuff. Some
Good stuff. Good stuff there.
Yeah,
Right on.
absolutely.
All right.
Heh,
Thanks.
heh.
Okay, bye.
Sure.